Today, we will tackle a great tool to update our name ranges when we made a mistake. It's called Name Manager. If we made a mistake or we need to go and update our name range, we can use a great tool to help us with this, the Name Manager. Once again, it can be found on the Formulas tab in the Define Names group, and here's a big button, Name Manager. Now please let me know in the comments if Mac users also have this tool. So I'm going to click on the Name Manager, and this opens up my Name Manager. So having a quick look, we can see it lists all of our name ranges in the cells they refer to, some of the values, and even the scope. Now, if you're finding it hard to see things, you can actually modify this dialog. First of all, you can make it a little bit bigger by extending this one, and also this so that you can see, and also this one, and for the scope, so you have that option as well. Predominantly though, the Name Manager is here to allow you to delete, edit, and even create new name ranges. Let's see how we will go about doing this. Now, as you can see, I have created two employee ID. It refers to identical range. Excel doesn't mind at all, but as a user, I'm going to run into problems and I'm going to get confused. So it's a better idea to only give a single name to each range. So to get rid of one of these, I'm going to click on the first one and then just click the delete button. Excel double checks, are you sure you want to delete the name emp ID? So if you are sure of deleting this one, just click on OK. If that name is being used in a calculation somewhere, that calculation is going to break. So it's not going to replace the name with the cell references. It's just going to throw out a name error. So just make sure that you're not deleting something that's currently in use. I'm now thinking that actually I deleted the wrong one that was probably a better name. So I'd like to rename this and edit, then put some underscore, then press OK. I can also change the range. So if I have added a new row to my HR database, I can come and make that A39. So it's easy. What I can change though is the scope. And this is something we looked at in the last video. So everything is good now. Finally, if you want to, you can even create a new name range in here. So if I click the new button, it automatically picks some of the cells I currently have selected in the workbook, and I can give it a name. I could also adjust the cell, say for example here to the bottom, and then click again this one. So because it's new, I can change the scope, may it be workbook, staff, or stats. So let's try staff, and click on OK and click on the close button. So I just realized I don't need that one, so I'm going to delete it and here, and close the dialog box. So just to recap, the Name Manager tool can be found on the Formulas toolbar in the Define Names group. Once we start working with name ranges, we can easily use this tool to edit, update, and audit our name ranges.